Welcome to Chintu's Why Science. Today's adventure, let's discover why bees are tiny heroes of our world.
Honey so yummy. But are bees only here to make honey? Let's find out.
Bees are more than honey makers. They're nature's busy helpers. When bees sip nectar, yellow powder called pollen sticks to them. When the bee visits the next flower, the pollen moves too. This is called pollination. So without bees, we might not get apples, cucumbers, or even chocolate. And yes, bees make something super delicious, honey. Bees also make wax from their bodies. They use it to build honeycombs.
And humans use beeswax too, for candles, for creams, and even for crayons.
Another wow fact. One bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in just one day. Bees need our help too. Planting flowers gives them food and safe homes.
So bees aren't just buzzing insects. They're nature's gardeners, fruit and veggie protectors, builders of honey.
Quiz time! What do bees carry from flower to flower that helps plants grow fruits? Hint, it starts with P.
Read your answers in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories with Chintu.